In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design free e-commerce website using Canva Website Builder. We'll build a clean, professional site using free tools and make it easy for customers to browse and buy. Start by heading to Canva and searching for e-commerce website or a business website. This pulls up ready-made website templates designed for online stores. Click into a few to preview the layouts, then choose one that fits your product range and style. Remember, you can customize everything, so focus on the structure and overall vibe. Next, match the design to your brand. Update the color palette so your buttons, backgrounds, and accents are consistent. Swap the fonts to a pairing that's on brand and readable on both desktop and mobile. Keep contrast strong. Dark text on a light background is usually the easiest to scan, and apply your choices across all pages so the look feels cohesive. Now bring in your products. Upload your product photos, then drag and drop them into the image frames in your template. If a photo doesn't fit perfectly, use replace so it snaps into place. Aim for high-quality images with consistent lighting and similar backgrounds to make your store look polished. Keep margins and spacing even so the layout feels balanced. Update the text with clear product names, concise descriptions, and prices. Focus on benefits and key details like materials, sizes, or bundles. Add a short business story to build trust: why you started, what makes your products unique, or how you source them. Keep headlines short and scannable so visitors can quickly find what they need. Use the Add Page feature to create separate sections for different products or categories. Keep page titles simple and consistent, and try to repeat key layout elements so people always know where to look for images, descriptions, and buttons. Open the Elements panel and search for graphics and animated elements, including Buy Now or buttons. Choose styles that match your brand and use animation sparingly so the page stays fast and focused. Set up your payment links next. Create one-time or subscription links using a platform like Stripe or PayPal, then copy the generated link. Back in Canva, select each Buy Now button, click the link icon, and paste your payment link so customers can purchase directly from your site. When you're ready, click Share, then use Preview to see how everything looks on desktop and mobile. Test your buttons, check spacing, and make sure text is easy to read. Tweak anything that feels off, and you're done. Thanks for watching.